Hello students, welcome to class PM. In today's class we are going to discuss a topic from 6th class science, that is sorting materials into groups. Okay, in today's class we will give some introduction to this topic. So, whenever you go to a supermarket or a medical shop and you ask it for something you want, like you went to a medical shop and you ask a particular medicine. So, the shopkeeper, the druggist, immediately will go to the particular rack and he will collect the medicine what you are asked for, and he will give it to you. And if you just look at around that medical shop, inside the medical shop, and you will see that thousands of medicines are there. But when you asked about a particular medicine, he immediately picked that medicine from that rack and hand over to you. How it is done? And the same thing we can say in the supermarket also. You went to a supermarket, okay, there are thousands and thousands of different objects, land, groceries, chocolates, biscuits, everything is there, and you want to buy an oil packet. So what you do? You will take your trolley and go to a particular rack where all the oils kept one place, and you will collect your oil packet. You want to take a bread packet. Then you go to another rack where all the breads kept together, and you collect your bread packet from there. Like this, whatever groceries you want, whatever things you want, you just collect into your basket or trolley. Is it not? So how it is done? Because here we segregate all those materials in the supermarket or the medicines in the medical shop are segregated according to their purpose. Okay, all the oil packets are one place, all the bread packets are one place, because the purpose of oil packet is different, the purpose of bread is different. And all the chocolates is one place, all the groceries at one place, all the pulses one place, all the vegetables, fruits, like this there is a separate segregation is there. That's why for us it is very easy and the convenience to find out whatever we want. Is it not? The same way medical shop also. He will arrange the medicines in such a way that in the alphabetical order. All the medicine which start with A in one rack. In that also, all the medicine which are starting with letter A and from different companies. Okay, all medicines starting with A letter and belongs to one particular company in one rack. All the medicines starting with letter A belongs to another company at one place. Like that, it was properly arranged. Then it is very easy for us to identify whatever we want and to collect whatever we want. For this purpose, we have to sort the materials into groups. Okay, for what purpose? Introduction, what we learn? So we have to segregate or separate or separate materials based on their purpose. For what purpose we are using? Other one, their appearance, how they are appearing, or based on simply you can say based on their properties. So we will segregate or separate or sort the materials into groups based on their properties as well as based on their purpose. You can remove this appearance because appearance also will comes under same properties. So we will separate or sort the materials into groups based on their purpose or their properties. Now in this particular lesson called sorting materials into groups, we are going to learn different properties of the materials based on which we will sort the materials into groups. Okay, in the separating materials, we learned so far that we are separating the materials into different groups based on their properties or their purpose. Now I am taking the plate. If you see these plates are made of metal because we have the steel plates, plastic, and the paper plates, the use and throw plates which regularly we are using in our functions. Okay, paper plates, metal plates, plastic plates, and sometimes ceramic plates also you'll find. So here the object is same, that is plate, but the materials by which that object is made of is different. See, the plate you can make by using a metal called steel. You can use plastic as a material to make a plastic plate, or we can use a paper and ceramic. So, and here the pen, you can see that pen. So pen is made of plastic completely, sometimes metal also. Okay, so pens are made by using the materials of plastic and the metal. So from this example what we understood is the same object can be made by different types of materials. Okay, here for example if you take the plate, plate is object same, but it is made by the different types of materials like metals, plastic, ceramic and paper, sometimes clay also. We can use clay plates. In the olden days we used to these clay plates. Okay, there are all the different types of the plates materials. Okay, now we'll see another type of example for this. Here I am taking the material like wood, next paper, third metal, leather, cotton. Now these are the materials, different materials. By using these material, what are the objects we can make? With wood we can make a chair or a table, or we can make a cupboard or almora. Okay, all the furniture comes under. We can make the furniture with wood, and also we can make with wood what we can make doors, windows, many things like bullock carts, bullock cart wheels, like that. With wood material we can make all these different types of objects. With paper what we can make? So we can make newspaper, we can make books, we can make notes. Okay, what else we can make with paper? So newspaper, books, notes, all these things we can make with the paper. And with metal what we can make? Kitchen utensils, our gadgets like mobile, laptop, computer, gadgets, TV, all these things. Next, machineries, very big machineries also made by the metals, like this. Thousands of objects we can make with the metal. Leather, with leather we can make bags, leather bags, belts, purse, and also we can make footwear also. So these are all the different things we can make with the leather. Cotton, with cotton we can use dress materials, shirts, pants, okay, all these things. And also we can make bed sheets, cotton bed sheets. We can make curtains also. So in this example what we have seen, material, with one material different types of objects are making. Okay, in the previous example what we have seen, a material, different materials are used to make one object. Like plate is made by the metal, made by plastic, made by paper, made by clay. Different materials are used to make one object. But here one material is used to make different objects like this. Also we can classify the materials into groups. Okay, this is one thing. In the next class we are going to discuss about what are the different properties of material. Based on those properties, how we sort the materials. That's what we will see in the next class.